the media also. So first of all, I will tell you about the web interface, what we are provided to all the stations. So that the IP address is 172.16.17.10. Any station which enabled VPN service to any particular workstation, they can access this server through your VPN service.
శ్రీకాంత్ కింద కామెంట్స్ చూపిస్తుంది లేకపోతే టైప్ తెలుగులో
Okay. So there are three major these things are available there. One is the news pool. Here, what we are providing approved pool produced by NSD. These are updated automatically from once it is created in Netia. This will be exported and placed over on this server. So any station want to view this content, they can access it. So similarly there is a Hindi pool is available there. So you can use the Hindi pool if you are using it. So immediately this will be here for 24 hours. Once it is after 24 hours, it will purge in the night. Okay. So you will not get the old one, only the recent or the latest approved news posts will be available. This include the pool from business, sports, and local program, foreign and sports, election. All details you will get it from here. So these are the pools available from news service division. This already integrated into VPN. So similarly, this pool is also available through internet service also. So using the NSD, they can use it. So if you go to the home one, you can go to this one. This will be back to this one. So then there is an audio program services. Audio program services. Each station we are provided one username and password and an application to upload the content into this directory. So all stations can get the username and password from Sri Pandeji, and you can use this software. So the software can be downloaded from the download folder. There are download options is available there. This is the software for uploading the content into this VPN. Okay. Okay. Then one more software is available over here. Is RNU feed. RNU feed. What we are doing it using the RNU feed software. The user can upload, or the RNU team can upload the content. That content will be inserted into Netia directly. Okay. So there is one more application we recently introduced. It is called the Moose Pool Ingesting. This is a similar one. So any station want to try it, I will explain in details later. So first we will go to the audio program, how we can use it. That first I will start with the audio feed. So this is a simple application. You can download that software and install it. Once you installed it, you have to register once. Once each station and have a station key. First you have to register with the station. Then you will get something like that. Currently, I am demonstrating with Tiruchirappalli. So what we can do it? You can first you have to select the software, means the content, means which audio you want to upload it. There are three types of audio you can upload it: WAV files, BWF files, WAV files, and MP3 files. So So you can select any three of these audio files. So I go to the location from where I can select the audio. So audio. While selecting one audio, so I'm selecting this audio. So this audio have some metadata information. So that metadata information you have to fill in this these fields. So this should not be blank. There should be at least some data should be there. So simply I am this one is I am simply testing. Demo. Select any type. These are the features available. Types are given there. Just like mouse, and then there should be some language will be there. So you can specify the language. Then subject will be there. So currently, you have to give the artist or reporter whoever may be doing this one, so that they can identify it. So these are the fields you have to fill it. First, select the audio file. The audio can be WAV file or MP3 or without text. So once you are fill these fields, so just you have to fill this approve data. Okay, approve data. So it will be approved in OPIT. Then specify the username and password and click the upload button. This will be uploaded into your. This is the one application. This individual individual folders are created for each AR stations. It will be uploaded into that particular folder. So if any station want to use any other client, like this is say simply the FTP client, any VPN or any FTP client can be used for this purpose. And you have already the username and password is available with you. You can use that username and password uploading that. Using that username and password, you can upload. Okay. So one setup is there. We have two servers available here. One is the primary server. The other one is the backup server. So if you have any problem in the primary server, or normally it is running, but we created a backup server also. You can use the backup server. So how we can access the backup server? That also I will show you. This is the primary server. Okay. That the IP address of the primary server is 172.16.13.10, and I'll show you the backup server also. One that is instead of 10, it is 11. Okay, so the same service is available over here also, or all your tools also available here. So I'm just going to what the audio programs are not not available here because nobody used the backup server. If you uploaded into backup server, this will be available in this particular URL. If it is uploaded into the primary server, it will be available on this folder. Okay. If it is in the backup, this will be available in a backup server. So there are two servers is available there. Both servers will be running over there. Primarily, you should use the primary server. If in case any problem or any problem in the server, you can upload into the backup server so that the client or the user want to download it from the backup server. Okay. So currently we are not providing the backup server. The downloads are available only in the primary server. Later on we will provide in this server also. So this I think this service more or less is very simple. any stations can upload into this folder, or using this particular application or any FTP client, we can use it and upload it. Okay, so I think it is clear. Or use this tool, audio feed VPN tool, or any FTP tool. Okay, then if you are uploading using the any other tool, there will not be any metadata information. Here you will have the metadata information. You can fill it. That is the advantage of this server. Okay. So similarly for RNAs, we have provided one more tool. So this is the tool. So here also the same procedure is available with you. First you have to register it. Register it. For registering this keys, we already hand over all the keys to the RNU people, RNU desk. They you can get it from RNU desk, because this news is sensitive information. So somebody should use responsibly this content. So here also the same procedures. You have to browse the content where you wanted to browse the content, then the type of audio what you wanted to fill it, subject. These are the content major programs produced in Delhi. So there are different type of program also very even in Market Mantra. Mostly audio bytes and programs are produced for this type of programs. Okay, so there are different languages available there. Subject you have to specify the correspondent you are uploading this. You have to specify it here. This is demo. Okay, so here we have to specify the So once you filled with this or content, you can approve the content. So then later on you can upload it. I am not uploading it. If it is uploaded, then it's straight away. It will be ingested into the media. Then it will be available for news production team. So this way you can upload the audio feed into Netia. It's basically a Netia tool. Using the Netia tool, you can upload the content into server. Okay. So this is the second application. Then then many stations or cities have also demanded how we can integrate the approved pool into local Netia system available in each station through VPN. So as I already told you, so here the nose pool is available here. It's available separately in a browser. So how we can integrate this into into Netia? So that also is possible. So how we can do it? I'll show you. Anybody want to use this feature? Let us know that. We will help out, or I will demonstrate right now. So what we can do it? We created one more application over here that is available in the download portion. So go to the download. So here a new application is available here. That is no spool ingest setup. You just download this one. Downloading this one. You know. Okay. It's already downloaded over here. I already downloaded here. So the installation is also very simple. So I already installed it. If anybody want, I can install it. I think it's not required. So all of your engineers, you know how to install the application is an MSI file. This at least it should code Windows 7 or .NET 4.5. Minimum requirement is .NET 5. Okay. So once you installed it, again you have to register it. The same key you can use it. Same key you can use it. So once installed it, first you have to do some configuration for this. So as we all know, in Delhi we have two type of pools are available there. There is one is Hindi pool and the other one is English pool. So which pool you want to interested into Netia, you have to identify it, or you want to both English or Hindi. So this is the basic requirements. And for that, first we have to register it. I think I already registered for a demo is Chennai. So I am demonstrating with Chennai. First, you register it. The key can be obtained from the Pandeji, and then we have to specify the download setup. So in the download setup, there are two categories. One is Hindi, and the other one is English. So you decide which one you want. Okay. So first, I am selecting the English one. Then from this should be downloaded, then kept it in a folder. So we have to specify the folder. So already once you install this application, the application will create a download folder. If you want, you can use that folder, or you want to use any other folder, you can do it. You can create that folder and specify that folder. Okay, I am using the default folder. So then one more things you have to specify it. What you have to specify it, that is schedule time. When it should download, it should download every 30 seconds, or you can use it one. It's depending upon your requirement. It will download every 30 seconds. It will check with the server. Sorry, the 60 seconds it will check with the server. If it is any new file created over there, it will download and put it in your this particular folder. So once you save it, so this this it will show this what are the settings okay or not, or you can check it once more. If once you run it here, so it will say the download status is okay. Configuration download status configuration is, that means it can download the content, or it will download the news category of English into that folder. So if I start this, this will start downloading. So every after 30 60 seconds, it will start downloading the content. I will show you the download folder where this application is installed over here. There is a download folder over here. English, there are some files. This is an old one. I will delete this one. First of all, so let the system start downloading. Yeah, this will start downloading. Once downloaded, I will show you how you can ingest this file into the Netia. That I will show you. I think all of you know the Netia part or tab editor or something. First, the first requirement of ingesting into the Netia, we require the tab details of that uh, particular server. It started downloading. Yes, I think it started. The latest files is downloaded. Only the latest file it will download for. Then first it will download the latest file for the 2 hours back file. Then it will download only the latest file. Okay, so this way it will work. If you want to stop this one, you can stop it here. So this is the application started. You can stop it here. If it is running, you may not be able to close it. For closing this one, you have to stop it here, then you can close it. So this system is downloaded into that. Now the second action is, once it is downloaded into your computer, the second action is it should ingest into the Netia. So how we can ingest it into the Netia, that I will show you how you can configure it. I hope everybody is convinced with this procedure. It's very simple. So again, therefore, the Netia configuration status it is showing not correct. So there are, I will not be able to ingest into the Netia, but I will show you the demo portion because we will not be able to connect into Netia. But in station you can specify it. So first of all of you know Netia is a database. So we should know about the database configuration. So where the database is located and what's the name. So we every station has a database SQL server. So AR Dell NBH SQL 02. This is our server name. You have to specify your server name over here. Then specify your database name, whichever. Normally it is ABC8 and the username is sysadm. As all of you, if you are working with database, you know the password also. Specify the password, then save it. So, okay. So this you should set accordingly your setup. Okay. Then just test it. So if it is successful, it will show this one. Currently, it will not show because I am if I am ingesting the content from downloading and ingesting, it will become a loop because I am not the contents are created in this database. So that's why we are not provided any connection over here. One, if your setup is clear, this will show connection is okay. Okay. Then once it is connection is okay, you can close this one. So then one more setting is there, the Netia ingest. Okay, the Netia ingest, as all you know, the Netia required the storage path. Netia setup is required the storage path. You have to specify where this file should be saved. So here we have to specify the path where you want to MDH SQL, whatever the path you want to give. Okay, you have to specify the path over here. Okay. Like wherever, whatever the path you are using it, then yeah, if you this will create a year folder and a month folder for and a subfolder inside that. Okay, that it will automatically create. You have to specify here, then you just click the save button. That's all. Okay. Then here we are selected only for English. So we specify the English. Okay. Select it here. Then browse where the English content is downloaded. We are specified the download folder, and I told you we are only specified English. Select the English folder. Then there is one tab where this tab should this content should ingested into Netia, that we have to specify. So here we will specify the whatever the tab number you are, then save it. Okay, this is also you save it. This is all. But you just start it. Currently it will not ingest because our database. If I enable the database, it become a loop. That's why I'm not enabled it. If you start it, what it will do, it will download the content and ingest it into Netia. So for that, you should ensure one thing in Netia that I will show you through my Netia services over here. What you have to do, set it. You have to stop this one, then I'll share my Netia service over here. Netia. Let me connect to our Netia server. Okay. So I'll share the Netia server settings. This is the Netia server where we first you have to run the in the wrong server. Okay, this is my Netia server. So for before ingesting, we required, I think, the tab ID is required for how we can find out the tab ID, and the content should be something like that. The setting should be the string setting should be something like that, and therefore that I will be running this tab editor. Okay, the tab editor is available in app server in each station. You can use it that one. To specify the password. It will take little time to load the tab editor because currently it is running in high load. The production ITC is very high in this time, so it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. For meantime, any doubt or anybody want to ask some questions, we can take that question also. Hello, hello. Any question? Okay, the tabs editor comes up. So
हेलो
comes up. पांडे जी, one more
सनी जी
one.
हो आपका हो गया
But दो minute और 2 minute और. Okay.
ओके
Now what you can do is you have to specify a particular tab over here. Uh, uh, Specify the tab. How you can specify the tab setting should be something like this. The title should be go to the string, and the type should be string 8, and language should be in language 1, and the corresponding names should be string 1. These settings should be very similar to in NPH, and you have to create a similar tab in your Netia. Then only it will match the contents metadata with the NPS Delhi, I mean NSD's content data. So okay, so you have to specify this one. I'll send an email to Pandeji with the screenshot. You can verify it from your setting. Then one more thing you have to specify in your that setting in just setting. You have to specify the number tab ID because all are based on tab ID. So where you can find out the tab ID, I am selected this particular tab RTB H news. So this tab ID is this one 10018. This is the tab ID. This you should specify it in that setting. Once more I will show you that. So this is the tab ID. Here it is 10018. Or in case of I am selecting some other tab like RTV news. This is also the same settings is available there, but the tab ID is different. This is 70. So I will show you how you can this tab ID should be matched. So once this system is injected, this content will be available on this particular tab or this particular category of category. Okay, that you have to ensure. Just closing it. Then once I review it all what we discussed it. Okay, I will go back to the